also born in a family of allopathic doctors. I've grown up with medicines and with everything that she said, right from the pills to the lists to completely believing that milk is the best thing that you could have. As a child, I've been diagnosed with prolapsed heart valves, congenital disorder, and a disorder for which there is absolutely no surgery possible. You have to take medication for the rest of your life. And so with all this background, I lose all this money and I become a failed stockbroker, a near-death experience after that. And life continues to kick me around like a football till 2002, which is not so far back. And in 2002, through a strange travesty of circumstances, call it destiny or grace, and I'm not too sure what the difference between the two is, something happens in my space, and in an inward journey, I go through a series of spontaneous regressions on my own, and by the time I come out of that, the heart valve issue is over, which was a big shocker. It was a big shocker to my family and a big shocker to my allopath doctor, because I went for an echo and then, well, the echo is not showing the valves prolapsed any longer. So obviously something freaky has happened. I stopped my medication in 2002. We're now into 2012, 2011. That's 9 years without a cardiac drug. And in fact, after that, I've gone to trips in the Himalayas, I've trekked, and I did everything that the system said I couldn't do. Also spontaneously, about 2.5, 3 years back, I terminated my milk baby story purely from an inner space, somewhat rationalizing also most of her presentation because it made perfect sense. And so from where I begin this presentation is completely agreeing with everything that she said and taking it perhaps a little deeper, because she speaks about mind tweaking, and my story is completely the story of tweaking your own mind. The theme of this workshop was the whole development. I think that's the mail that we got, the whole development. So if we look at the word whole, the word whole is inspired from the Greek word hail. And the Greek word hail essentially means restoration back to completion. So no wonder I picked up a crystal which somewhere inner space told me completion. So if we're talking of restoration back to completion as being whole, heal, these are all words that are associated with this one basic process, then let's very quickly understand what makes us complete. What makes us whole? Anybody?